We need help. For anybody that's a Honda guru, we have a crank no start situation. The car died on us as going to the ramp to the highway, and it's been sitting since. What we know so far is that we got no spark, we got fuel, we checked the main relay, we swapped relays, we swapped ECUs, still the same outcome. We tried checking continuity on the A21 on the plug to make sure there's ignition coming across. It is. Checked everything in that area. We have power. What's tricky and weird is that once we come over here, we got no power on the black and yellow wire, which I forgot what plug this is. And it only powers up, I think, when the car's about to turn on, and that's it, it goes away. This plug on the firewall side has no power at all. So I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to be, or when you crank it, it's gonna light up. I checked it with the continuity tester, nothing there.